I'm brav. I'm brav. I'm brav. I'm brav. Yeah, you can hear it. I'm back on my skateboard. That's 2 days in a row. I'm skating. I'm out in nature. It's beautiful outside, watching the sunrise. 5, 3, 1, let's do it again. Try to get a 2-day streak going. One day at a time, just for today. Be present, right? All right. 5 things that I'm grateful for. I'm grateful that my IBS is gone, pretty much. My irritable bowel syndrome that has plagued me for decades is almost gone. Pretty much gone. I take one big one and one little one a day, not 6 or 7 runny ones like I used to. 4, I'm grateful that there's an amazing Thai restaurant in Mississippi called Jutama's. It's in the city of Hattiesburg. It's the best restaurant in the whole state. Jutama's. They're all gonna be food. 3, I'm grateful for great Mexican food in Mississippi called Tacos El Jefe. Tacos El Jefe. 2, I'm grateful that my legs work, that I could still ride a skateboard at 46. Not as good as I was in my 20s, but it's not about that. I'm grateful that I can be out here. And 1,
I'm at the beach.
I'm really like, not to be corny and yeah, you know what? Don't even start with that. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful for you. It's weird being on a Discord while I'm out in nature. Could be both. I'm on technology and nature at the same time. I'm that guy. I'm that guy right now, and I'm okay with it. I'm that weird guy on a skateboard in nature, talking to you guys. There's people staring at me. It's okay. I'm grateful for you because you guys complete me. 3 things I'm gonna work on today. I'm gonna work on, after I'm done with this, getting off my phone for the rest of the day. 2, I'm gonna work on, so I did finally journal last night, and it was just 3 sentences. It was, I'm journaling, and a few things I didn't get deep into it. So I'm gonna try that again today. I'm gonna try journal again, second day. And check this out. Some people would call this a comic. I'm gonna try journaling and drawing something next to it. Pictures with words. And finally 1, a fact about myself. And I'm gonna steal my friend Jason's because I loved it so much. A lot of people don't know this, but I like listening to really mellow, soft music, like Velvet Underground, stuff like that. Super loud, like deaf, like, I don't like listening to loud music really loud. I like listening to soft, easy listening, instrumentals, just mellow emo music, really, really loud. I bet you didn't know that. Another weird fact about me, I've always been obsessed with saltwater fish tanks, and I've never gotten one because I was too scared of the responsibility. All right, now your turn. 5, 3, 1, give it to me.